Hello Amazon, and welcome to my review of the Vority dual USB power adapter. As you can see, it comes in two colors, black and white. It comes with a very concise user manual, as the unit itself is pretty much self-explanatory. It has two USB charger ports on it, one for a phone rated at 1.0A and a tablet at 2.4A. Definitely will get your phone in tablet charge, just as if you were using the chargers that came stock with your device. Very high quality build. It has a temperature resistance, so it will prevent overheating and overcharging. It has an LED on the front that will light up when it's in use. And it conforms to all state and national certifications for electrical uses. Ladies and gentlemen, in 1 second, I'll show you the Vority dual USB power adapter in action. Okay, if you're like me, you get ready to go on a trip, you have all these cords because you have all these appliances you need to charge. However, when you get to your location, you notice there's only one outlet available. But I have like 3 or 4 chargers here. So how do I solve this problem? Simply, with the Vority dual USB power adapter, simply take out the charging unit itself, plug it in, and it gives me 2 USB slots. Simply plug them both in, and that will give me access to charge my phone. So as you can see, it now says charging, and it also gives me the ability to charge my tablet at the same time. As you can see, it says charging, and the blue indicator light tells me that it's on. So ladies and gentlemen, want a really nice charger with the convenience of keeping all your other plugs at home, just to bring one and the cables, save space, very lightweight, very well made overcharge protection, overheating protection. 2 ports, one for your phone, one for your tablet, to give them the juice they need. The Vority dual USB power adapter.